bracelets. Oh wait, they're handcuffs. Last night I said I want your babies. Forget the ice, it's not nice to drink Baileys. I drink that much that I forget. Whatever embarrassing thing I say next, you said I got on one knee, and there's no way unless I've been drinking. Oh wait, rosé. Sailor Jerry's rum, I think I drunk too much.
Hello.
Showing